Yes! Yeah! Alright, second time clipping in ever on a mountain bike. These ones. Trialled it at Green Valleys on Saturday. Really, really like it over flats. These are the PM ME 700s. Only cost 60 bucks. And they were recommended to me by a mate. And yeah, well, I mean, it's my first ones I've ever used, but can't complain. Will I do something with this video? Maybe. Maybe not. Maybe I'm just talking to myself. Wasting time. Let's get to it. Okay, one thing that's happened with new pedal system is sitting a lot lower. So it used to be like that, used to be flush, but now I have to make it a tad higher. And God, where I pulled over, it stinks here. There must be something dead out there. Oh, could have picked a better spot. Anyway, let's see how that goes for height. Alright, thoughts on climbing clipped in. She's good. So it makes pulling on the pedal stroke a little bit easier. Makes the power transfer, I guess, with the pedal stroke a little bit smoother. So you don't want to just mash down on the pedals using quads. You still want to pull across, and this feels obviously more effortless than having flats. It just stays in. Alright, being the responsible dad that I am, I better go down and make sure the trails are safe. I'm actually a bit nervous of like moving this and trying to clip in. Oh, still not clipped in. God, there we go. Alright, I guess it's safe. I've actually never cleared this gap before, so I'm actually a little bit nervous. Always have gone around it, but after my time at Green Valley, I'm feeling a bit more comfortable jumping, so I'll give it a crack. Alright, I don't know why I'm so nervous. Yes! Oh, dude. That wasn't so bad. Yeah. Oh, alright. Nerves are settled a bit. Alright, so I always go old man's down this. Since I got the day off without the kids, let's just try this trail. Don't know what I'm in for. Nice and techy. Oh. What's this? Oh, yep. Definitely like being clipped in. I'm just not losing the footing like I did on flats. Now this is probably pretty obvious, but I can just keep the exact perfect foot positioning that I want. Oh man. Oh, what's this? Oh yeah. I can hit that. Climb back up a little bit. A little jump and then like a gap down the bottom. See, look at me. There we go. Speed's your friend. Speed's your friend. Nice. Oh. I don't know if I was supposed to go through there. Yeah, need a bit more speed for that one. Oh, I mean, oh, didn't land that good. Oh, first little, couldn't get your foot. See, the disadvantage of the clip-ins is you can't exit as easy. So far, the pros are outweighing those cons, though. God, I'm unfit. long layoff with hernia surgery here. What's going on down here? Still feel weird. Like, am I just talking to myself? I'm actually going to do something with this video. Man. Alright, that was good. Am I still revealing the clip-ins? Way better on rocky stuff. You can just stick. My biggest problem with flats was my feet always jumped all over the place. Always. And I'm out of position in tricky spots and I don't want to readjust because you've got to have your foot in a bad position. Alright, I might use this as an opportunity to ask you to subscribe. I'm a school teacher and it pays alright, but my 30 subscribers just not cutting it. Alright, let's go again. See how long it takes me to clip in. There we go. Even just railing corners is much nicer. It's just not as thrilling the second time. So this time I will actually go old man's. And I'm going to hit the wall ride. Never hit that wall ride before. Oh, see, I got my foot out. See, I remembered to twist the ankle. Key to clip-in is twisting the ankle. Ooh. Otherwise, that would have been a stack. How did I not put my foot out? Alright, so we're going to do it. We're going to do the wall ride. We're going to do the wall ride. No skidding, I'll do my best. No skidding, no skidding. Oh, not this wall ride. I've actually done this one before. I meant this next one coming up. I can't even remember the correct route to get there. Oh, terrible. Terrible corny. I think this is it. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Yeah! Alright, that wasn't so bad. I've done this one too before. Oh, look at that, both clipped out. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing. Oh, clip back in. Gotta get better at everything. I mean, what does this mean? Alright, it's on. Tell you what, my feet are actually really sore right now. God, they're aching. Is this a clip-in thing, or is it because I haven't been riding in a while? Oh, dude, like right in here. Maybe it's just because I haven't been riding in a while, but man, it's just hurting. Or is it a clip-in thing? You can let us know in the comments below. That's what they always say on YouTube channels, right? Alright, I'm gonna go down this one. Why? Because I'm starving. I didn't bring any food. I'm hoping down the bottom there, old mate's there with his truck in the truck stop to give me some calories. Gotta stretch. out. The clip-ins definitely feel better climbing there. Like, just the fact that your foot stays in the exact same spot is just so good. And I mean, these pedals cost 60 bucks. Like, that's not much money. They descend here. Who's this? Oh, this is the new trail. Pickets. Never been down this one before, hopefully it. I mean, still gets through the truck stop because I'm starving. Oh, this is fun. Oh, nice. Okay. I know where I am. That's sick. That was cool as. Oh. I think I want to go this way. One-way trail, do not enter. Alright, I'm on the right side. Oh. Luckily, I recently cut the handlebar width. Thanks to Tyson Richards for doing that for me. And here I am just talking to myself again. I have to jump that slippery looking log. Oh, I just nicked that tree. Alright, this part's normally pretty tricky. No, easy. Clip-ins, man. Get yourself a pair. Come on, food. Please be there, food truck. At least the Coke. Oh, I smell lollies for some reason. The 4-week big breakfast just isn't cutting it at the moment. Oh, she's tight there. Man, that foot. Oh, I'm going to fit through that jar. All right, Fingers crossed food. Is he gonna be there? Oh yes, he's there. Yes. Oh, you can see him in the mirror. Sausage roll and a Coke would be fantastic. Oh, self-access. Oh, he's got a V. Nah, I go with Coke. Savage. I was hoping you'd be here.
Sadly.
Sadly.
$8 please.
Tapping. Sick one.
Done. Thanks, mate.
Thanks, buddy. Woo. This just extended the ride. In case you're wondering. Well, he's done a few burnouts. Alright, so right now, across to, I wanted to go lost and found. Take a left on Harry Graham Drive here. Looks like I go down Harry Graham Battle. Sounds pretty cool. And it connects onto the drift downhill for a little bit and then lost and found. And then I know I'll come back and climb back up. Cool. Just a little bit